Hey everybody, it's Sherry from Maskcara Beauty Studio. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Maskcara Beauty products and exactly what they are. I've had so many people ask me, how is this different? What is this? And I want to tell you a little bit of how you buy it, how it works for mature skin. And basically, all our products come in these little tins. They're kind of cool. They're like the old tins that you used to get lip balm in. But we have a system of using two different highlights. You have a regular highlight, a brightening highlight, and those are really like foundations, the traditional foundations, but they're called highlights. And the next color you get is called a contour color, and contours are used basically under your cheeks, kind of bring your forehead down under here. And what that does is bring some shadow to your face. So we don't have flat one color faces. So when you put foundation on, traditionally, you were kind of giving it just a matte one color flat surface. This is totally different. You are color matched by an artist, and I can certainly do that for you. I just need you to send me a selfie in front of a sunlit window, and I have a color matching form on my website, so you can do that. And I will pick out the colors that are perfect for you. So I will pick out your main highlight color, which is gonna kind of match your skin tone. And then I'm gonna pick out a brightening highlight, which kind of goes in this triangle under your eyes and brings light and dimension to your face. So it brings the center out and makes it pop. The other color is a contour. So that's a darker color that we'll pick out for you that will go there. And then a lip and cheek. So those are the four colors that go in this compact. So you buy those four little tins. They're $14 each. Free shipping, by the way. I mean, nobody does that anymore. And they all go in the compact, and you can put it on with your fingers. You can blend it out with a brush. We have fabulous brushes. Or you can use a sponge. Our Perfector sponge is awesome for doing that too. If you look at some of my other tutorials, I show you exactly where to put the colors, how to put it on. It's very easy. It's not hard at all. You do it once and you get this figured out. So that's basically it. You pick out your four colors, you get a brush or a sponge, and then you just basically put it on and blend it. And it is a cream-based makeup, and it is like nothing else I've ever used. And that's why I'm selling it. I'm 63 years old. I don't need to be out selling makeup. But I love this product so much that I wanted to share it with other older ladies, because I think it's been hard to find something that works for us, that kind of hides those discolorations and under eye bags and wrinkles and all that stuff, but doesn't look fake or cakey or anything like that. That's been a struggle for me. To be honest with you, once I turned 50, I didn't wear a lot of makeup because I never found something that looked natural on me anymore. And it wasn't until I found this makeup line that I felt like, okay, I like the way this looks. I like that it's easy. I like that it's affordable. It's free shipping. If I run out of one color, if I run out my lip color and I just want to order that, it's $14. That's it. I don't have to spend a ton of money buying pallets of things that don't work for me. If you buy the four tins like this, you get a free compact. So that's included. So this is a win-win. I don't see how you can go wrong giving it a try. Please hit me up. I'd be happy to do a color match for you at any time and get you started with this makeup line. All right, watch some of my other tutorials. Hopefully I can teach you a few tricks and tips for working with mature skin, and I'll see you back. Bye.